Do you guys want to create an amazing WordPress blog for free like this one that I'm showing you guys on the screen as of right now? In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create an amazing blog website like this without too much problems as a complete beginner. So if you are interested in that, keep watching and let's just get started right now. First of all, you have to go on wordpress.com on Google, and then you have to sign up for your account, or you can have to make your account on wordpress.com. So I already have made my account on wordpress.com, so you can do that as well. So let's go on wordpress.com, and this is will be your dashboard for your wordpress.com, and this will be your home page. And on your left side you will have posts, media, pages, comments, and WP forms. So also you have your appearance there. Now after that, what you want to do is go to plugins and then click add new. So for this we are going to be using Astra. So Astra is an amazing plugin that you can use to build simple websites and also blogs. So what you want to do is click install now on the starter templates one. Make sure to stick around and then activate it. There we go. So this is the first step. Next up, if you scroll down, you can choose to click on the C library, and what you can do is simply find a template that you would like to use. Now what I like is that you can choose your website builder, so you can go with Elementor Beaver builder. So choose the one that you are always using. So I recommend going with Elementor. So this will take a little while, so let's wait. And so yeah, it's open. So as you can see that there are so many templates. Few of them are free and few of them are paid. So for this video I will go for free, and I will select any kind of template which one I like. You can add block editor, you can edit your template with Elementor, and you can also edit your blog with Behavior Builder. So for this video I will go with Elementor, and then we have all or premium. We don't have the checklist of free, otherwise all the you can say templates will be showing up here that will be free, but we unfortunately don't have that. So we will go with all, then we will search here by manually. So I think we can choose it a little more faster from here. So we have blog, food blog, travel blog, news site, magazines, fashion blogs, influence blogs. So I will go with travel blog, and this will take a few seconds. So I will go with this one for this video, outdoor adventure. Let me click on that. So that's the real page of this blog. You can see that they have their logo on the top left corner, and then they have the home page, about page, service, projects, contact, and they also have a button of take action. They are showing the introduction of that blog. You can see that this is explore the colorful world. They have a tagline, a wonderful gift, and you can see that it's a simple good blog page for your website. This one is not in English, so we will ignore that. I think that's a quote. So they also have coming events, walking holidays. So we are not that, I'm not travel blogger, I'm not a YouTuber who make travel vlogs. I will just edit this and make this to my own. So as you can see on the left, they have the option choose a logo for your site. So let me just change that. So we will go with skip and continue. So they have default colors. We can change that colors from here. We can make this color from with blue and purple, and we can also make that yellow. So I think we will go with green because green looks little highlighted. Red one is also well, but for me I think we will go with the green one. So they also have font size, so you can change that to whatever you like. They also showing font names, so you can choose which one you like. So I think we will go with the little bit bold and little bit of this. So I think that's good. So I will then click on these checklists. If you have not click on these, you can click on that as well. So I will then submit and build my website. So let's wait for a little bit. I will catch you guys in few minutes when it's will done. So this is completed, and you can see that there is an option you can view your website. So we will just click on this. We have changed that color, we have changed outlines color, we have changed the background color. So now what we have to do, we have to customize. So we will add it with Elementor. You can add it with their basic, their simple WordPress editor as well, but this one is the better. So we will go with add it with Elementor. This one is really easy. So you can simply just click on that text and you can change this from here. So I will change this from explore the colorful world to, you can say that, explore the video creation. We will also change this wonderful gift to a great journey. And let me google my spellings for journey, because I think that I made a mistake. So yeah, I was right about my spellings, sorry about that. Let me just correct it. So let me just change into a really good quote. So let's just search quote about video creation, be unique and inspiring. I think that one is a good one. So we will just change this quote. Oops, I don't know what's happened. Yeah, that's good. They also have that option here. We can also change images from here. We can change the image size, we can change this to thumbnail size, we can change this to medium size, or you can change this to custom size, whichever size you like. I will not mess up here, so let me just click back to full. You can also provide a link here or a custom URL of your website. You can paste it right here. So if anyone will click on that image, they will automatically generate a link to your website or whatever you have provided here. So for right now we will just go with nothing. Then we can also choose a image. So we also have a media library here, free images. So you can also upload from your computer, from your laptop as well. You can click on select files, and this will take you to your computer files. So you can click on select files, you can select that, and then you will have to click on insert media. So you can change your picture for your own preference, but for this I will change a picture from here. So maybe there is nothing related to video creation, so we will just go with this one. I think this will look little cool. So yeah, we can change its size. So I think we will go with thumbnail in this size. This one is looking little cool, and you will be good to go. So you can also select images just like that. You can make these bigger or smaller, whatever. You can add media. So that's pretty much how you can do it. So what you would do is simply download Astra, choose the block template like I just did. So that's currently this one. So let me go to the actual website to show you what it currently looks like, and then you can start filling it with your own content, your own info and all of that good stuff. So as of right now, this is what my website looks like. Pretty basic, but it works. So this is a nice blog that I have just set up in just a couple of minutes. Of course, as of right now, it's not customized with all of my own pictures and images, but you can get the point. So this is the blog template. Simply go into the editors and then you are good to go. To be honest, that's how you can build a free blog now. If you guys like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So I will catch you guys in the next video.